Hello and welcome to Oxford Street in sunny Eccles here today. I'm going to show you this wonderful 2-bedroom property done to a very high standard. Property has been refurbished throughout. As you can see, some beautiful flooring down here, fully plastered throughout as well, gorgeous light fittings, plenty of space. These stairs lead upstairs to a lovely hallway, which I'm going to show you as well, which is really nice. So we go into the dining room here, gorgeous light fittings just there. Into beautiful modern fitted kitchen. Give you a little view from here. We'll go outside. And it's paved with a bit of artificial lawn just there, which is great, so plenty of space, ready for those summer barbecues. So heading back into the property, we'll take a walk upstairs now. It's a really nice feel to these stairs as well. They feel quite wide, whereas a lot of the properties tend to be a bit narrower and a bit more steeper. So this is bedroom 1. A really good sized bedroom. Give you a view from here. You also get a really good view of the park as well in the mornings. So this is a long landing hallway, which is really nice to have. Bedroom 2, again, a really good sized bedroom. Now most properties you tend to get one really good sized double and then a very small double or a single. And this is lovely, all done to a really good standard. Traditional feature fireplace just there. And then we walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is almost finished. If you spotted the bath panel downstairs, some beautiful tiles here. Bath has just been resealed, hence the water in the bath. Storage cupboard just there as well. So this property is certainly one not to be missed. Please give us a call on 0161 747 9379 to arrange a viewing or secure this property off the video tour. Thanks for watching.